God bless you. This is one of my short videos here. I want to let you know we got some hats up, okay? This is a nice genuine leather hat. I believe I had a short video of making this hat. This hat was never worn, as a matter of fact. And I use vintage hats that are like mint condition, and I customize them. Okay? This is on eBay, okay? Oh, this right here haven't been done, but I got one just like this on eBay. I'm going to give you my information right after the video. This is another one here. Beautiful hat. You know this is a hot hat. I got this on eBay too, right here. Beautiful green with that blue. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Jing, jing, jing. Got plenty of them. I didn't buy all this stuff here for me. I like to make hats, you know. Look at that. He had to die that we could live. Look at that. Beautiful. I just got some snake here from the other shed down there, up in my man cave. See my mama? Bam. Hey, have condolences for me. My brother died about 2 days ago, you know, and I'm still in bereavement, but nevertheless, I got me some bereavement leave, and I'm gonna make me some hats. I ain't gonna sit around and look dumb. This right here is some lamb. I'm gonna have a project. I'm gonna cut this video off in a minute. Let me see. I got my brother here from out of town, way upstate. He sent me this beautiful hat, which is a beautiful color. I'm gonna actually copy that color right there, that orange, and I'm gonna cut out a piece, and I'm gonna dye it with me some acrylic with some leather glaze. We're gonna hook it up. All right, stay tuned. God bless you. Put your comment in, subscribe, and I'm gonna give you the information. You have any questions, I'm gonna give you the email. Email me, we can get a little closer. We need to get some of these hats up out of my crib because my wife is like, you got too many hats. All right, peace.